You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Italian pronunciation. Il granaio. Il granaio is where you store grain. I believe that's what it means. Il granaio, where you store grain, often on top of a house or a farm, in the attic, essentially. I believe that's what it means, il granaio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.